Hi, I'm Ryan from Sunshower Online. I'm here at the Sunshower Online warehouse and you're watching Sunshower TV. Right here I'm going to show you how to fit a pop-up sprinkler with a shrub spray nozzle. Here I've got a Rainbird 10Q or 90-degree spray pattern nozzle with a Rainbird 1804 pop-up. That's 4 for 4 inches. It's part of the Model 1800 series. Now the first thing to do is have a look, and what we have here is the flush nozzle on the sprinkler. So when the first time you run it, you probably want to leave this on and let the water run through it, because in your install sometimes you might get some water in the pipes and you want to avoid blocking your sprinkler heads. So once we've done that, we can take this off like so. Grab the filter, very important you grab the filter, and I'll tell you why in a sec, not just to protect the sprinkler. So I'll put that in and then we'll get our nozzle and we'll screw that on. Just like so, and we can also, say this is in the ground, we can also adjust the direction it's pointing just by rotating that around. It's pretty stiff, but that's the way it's designed to work. Now what we can also do here is adjust how much water comes through the nozzle, and you can do that by adjusting this screw here using this screwdriver, left and right. But just going back to that filter, if I screw it too far, it'll drop right into the line. So it's just a good safeguard. If not, it's just a good habit to have filters on all of your sprays, of course, but just in case you screw that too far and it drops into the bottom of the pop-up. So that's your pop-up sprinkler, that's how to fit a nozzle. And that's it. If you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.